Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the crop tool. Here in the crop tool, we have four options: crop tool, perspective, crop tool, slice, select tool. So let's start with the first one, crop tool. So once I select the crop tool, and here the shortcut is C, automatically the area is selected. And now it is coming a square because of here in the options bar, it is selected square. If I make it original ratio, then it becomes selecting the exact whatever is the original image. And you have different ratios here. You can use 16:9. It is like how our televisions generally are. Or we can use some other presets. Let me go to original ratio, and here simply you can, once you drag, it was trying to keep that same ratio. Now, but I want to just remove the sky only, let's say. So in that case, we have to keep the first option, the second option. And here it is, you can drag any one line. From maybe bottom also you want to crop. From top little bit more, maybe this one. And then we have to click on this check mark. Or we can click enter key. Either we can click on the check mark or enter key. Now this area is cropped. Let me crop from the right side little bit. Again, we have to click on the image and simply drag and enter. So this is how the crop tool will work. Next tool is perspective crop tool. This will work little bit differently. For this, I will open another image. This gift box. Now here already it is cropped to the edges. There is no space for cropping. But let's say I want to crop this area. I want to get only this side. So I just painted with black to show you. With this side we want to crop. Now with this tool it's difficult because if I try to crop, this upper corner is gone. If I try to crop from the bottom, this corner is gone. So this tool, the first tool, is not going to helpful because this now it is in a perspective. It is not a simple rectangle or horizontal. Now it is in different angle. So we are going to use perspective crop tool. We can click on first here, and second click here, third click, and fourth click. Now this area we want to crop. Now we have selected that and click on check. So we got that area properly. So this is how perspective tool will work. You can get the top area also. So either you can click and drag, or another option is first you can drag and then you can arrange the corners. I'll arrange to all the four corners. Now when we click OK, this whatever area we selected, it will come horizontally. Click on check, and this is how the area came. So this is perspective crop tool. Now I'll go to another image, this one. So I'm switching to images using Alt Control Tab because I have opened two images now. Control Tab to show you this. Here are the images. This one and this one. So I'm working in full screen mode using the F key. Using F key, we can change the Photoshop mode. So I'm working in this mode. Okay, now next tool is slice tool. The slice tool is basically used for the web development purpose. Here we can simply drag some area, like randomly you can select different areas. Here, here, here. So you see, we have selected many different areas. One is this box, another box, another box. And then we can export this different all slice areas as a different images. So in web development, this is generally used. In graphic designing, slicing tool is not required because we have to work on the single image. And another tool is slice select tool. So it is going to select individual slides wherever we click. So this is second slide, and I can move it here and there, and also I can resize. So for graphic designing, it is not helpful, not used. It is mainly for web designing, web development. So these are the 4 tools we learned. Crop tool to crop in horizontal or vertical way. Then we have perspective crop tool to crop some area which is not horizontal or vertical, it is on some angle. And then after that we have slice and slice select tool. This is mainly for web development, not much used for graphic designing. Yes, so congratulations, you learned the crop tool, and try to use sometimes these options, and also make a habit of using the shortcuts, because every time taking your cursor here in the tools, it will be time taking. It's better to use the shortcut, like when I press V, move tool, C, crop tool, move, see my cursor is here, C, crop tool, V, move tool, like this. So very fast. Yes, thank you. So we covered the crop tool. Now you can start using crop tool and remove the unwanted area from your images. One more thing is remaining, how to, now this is touching the area. So it is not only for removing, also you can extend the canvas size. So I want to extend size on all the sides. So you can extend like this one by one, or we can do click and drag. Now while dragging, if I press Alt button, now it is dragging from the center. So this is also we can do. And when you use Shift key, now it is in proportion. Whatever is the ratio of the image, it will go in the same direction. So Alt and Shift key are very regularly used shortcuts in the Photoshop. Let me repeat again. Normal dragging, you can crop individual sides. Then we have Alt button. Now this is normal dragging from the corner, so it is going in both direction. Then when I press Alt button, it will start extend from the center point. But ratio is now changing, so ratio is not proper according to the image. To lock the ratio, we have to use the Shift key. Now it will go as per the image. So we can maybe extend this much, enter. Now the blue area is coming because here at the background, blue area was selected. So by default it is blue. If you make it white, what we have to do is, you just make foreground and background default, or the shortcut is D. Now the background is white. This time when you crop, so background will be white by default. So here we added some area to the image. So crop tool is not just for cropping, it is also to increase the canvas size. Yes, now we are done for this video. Keep practicing. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.